Hey guys, today we're going to talk about 9 things to make intermittent fasting a lot easier. One of the biggest complaints that I hear is, boy, intermittent fasting is so hard to do because I'm so used to eating and I'm tempted and it's just really difficult. So number 1, you can actually consume tea through the day. Make sure it's naturally decaffeinated because all that caffeine can increase insulin. So we don't want to do that. But you can do teas like slippery elm bark tea, you can do liver supporting tea, kidney supporting tea. You can start to target different organs with different types of teas just to support your body. Number 2, bulletproof coffee. That's going to allow you to go a long period of time, and if you've never heard about this before, it's basically coffee with some fat, whether it's butter or coconut oil. You blend it up and you drink it, and it will allow you to go a lot longer than if you just had regular coffee. But just make sure you don't do more than 1 cup because the caffeine, again, will spike insulin and it'll mess up your adrenals. All right, 3, electrolytes. These are electrically charged minerals like potassium, magnesium, and even calcium and even sodium that will actually improve insulin resistance. Number 4, apple cider vinegar. This one's really important right here. If you were to do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with some water and drink that a couple times through the day, this will improve blood sugars. It will also help you if you have a fatty liver. But this is a really important one. Number 5, a kale shake. Kale shakes are a great way to drink your salad. So I do a lot of them. You basically freeze the kale, take it out, blend it. You can either put berries in there and blend it up to actually offset some of the bitterness, or not even put berries at all to keep the sugars way down. I like to put lemon wheatgrass juice powder in there. That way it's a little sweet, and that will make this very easy to consume. Plus you have all the chlorophyll from the wheatgrass. Number 6, keto bombs at the meal. So if you're doing 2 meals or even 1 meal a day, and you prepare some keto bombs, which are kind of fat cookies, and you consume enough of those, it's going to be really easy to go from 1 meal to the next without having a problem. Because really, if you were satisfied and you were not hungry, especially at night, the chances of you grazing would be very minimal. Number 7, more sleep. Anytime a person is tired, they're going to be hungrier and their blood sugars are going to be off too. So even take a nap, that will help you. But sleep is a real key thing to make this easier. Number 8, exercise. Exercise can definitely help your blood sugars, but here's the catch-22. If you're just starting intermittent fasting, you probably want to do walking, and if you want to do some intense exercise, make it right around the meal because you can tap out your blood sugars pretty quick, end up with a low blood sugar, and make it very uncomfortable to do intermittent fasting. And lastly, number 9, spend more time while you're eating that meal or 2 meals. Last thing you want to do is scarf a lot of food down your throat too fast. Take your time, chew your food, let it digest, and you're going to find that intermittent fasting will be much better so you don't end up with some situation where you're bloating and you're stuffed and you're creating more stress in the digestive system. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Keep spreading the word and share this video.